An energetic walk. Long, beautiful legs. To humans, legs are a symbol of strength, beauty, and health. They are an important part of our body that allows us to stand up straight and walk. However, too much standing and walking leads to a disease called varicose veins. Not only are they unsightly, they cause swelling, pain, and in severe cases, even death.
평소에 뭐 생활하기에 불편한 건 없는데요. 자다가 쥐가 많이 나요. 오른쪽만. 지금 그 증상 있는 쪽만요.
머리도 무겁고 가슴도 답답하고 이 다리가 핏줄이 막 밖으로 막 또 튀어나오고 그래서.
In addition, once you get it, it's impossible to let it heal on its own. That's why it's important to treat it early on. Let's keep our overworked legs healthy by treating and preventing varicose veins.
They say spring is a women's season. Maybe this is why we see many women out in the streets wearing bright, beautiful skirts. However, they say some women suffer from varicose veins. So today on Health for All, we'll guide you through everything you need to know about varicose veins.
붓는 느낌 들진 않으세요?
예, 그래요, 좀.
그래서 깨시거나 뭐
Suffering from swelling and pain every night, Miss Yu has finally come to the hospital.
그러니까 뭔가 이렇게 쏠리는 듯한 느낌 드시고요.
예.
주무시고 나면 그런 증상이 좋아지시고요.
예, 다리에 쥐가 나고 좀 무겁고요, 붓고 그래갖고는 그리고 운전하기가 좀 불편해가지고요.
Yu Soo-jin complained of a heavy feeling in her head and pain in her legs. At the hospital, she is diagnosed with varicose veins.
이 환자의 경우에는 다리에 핏줄이 튀어나오면서 밤에 주무시다가 쥐가 나서 깨시는 적도 계시고요. 저녁 때 되면 다리가 붓기도 하고 간헐적으로 다리에 통증을 느끼는 환자분이십니다.
Everyone has felt pain in his or her legs at one time or another. Why do only humans complain of this type of pain? In an average lifetime, a person will walk a distance of at least 25,000 kilometers. That's the same distance as circling the Earth 4.5 times. In order to walk straight, an arch-shaped balance is formed with the bones and muscles of a person's leg. Also, blood circulation becomes more important the further it is from the heart. But there are inevitable factors that disrupt circulation.
1차적인 장애물은 결국은 중력입니다. 왜 그런가 하면 심장에서 다리로 피가 갔다가 다리에서 심장으로 피가 와야 되는데 결국 그 과정에서 중력이 작용해서 일반적으로 10배 이상의 힘이 필요하게 됩니다.
In order to prevent the backflow of blood, there are about 60 different valves in a single leg that help the blood flow back up to the heart. When calf muscles get weak, veins lose their elasticity and valves begin to malfunction. This condition is called varicose veins. Veins where blood flows back down to the feet instead of the heart do not heal on their own if left alone. Therefore, blood accumulates and gradually creates a negative effect on the overall health, as well as looking visibly unflattering.
Many people think that only women or the elderly suffer from varicose veins. However, the cases have been increasing these days. So let us go ahead and take a look at what causes varicose veins and what type of people are more likely to get it.
25% of Korean adults suffer from varicose veins, and the biggest cause is genetics.
이게 어머니가 더 심하단 말이야. 이렇게 핏줄마다 따려가지고 오글오글오글오글 해지는데 그냥 가만히 앉아가 있으면은 이게 없어져.
Thus, we often see mothers and daughters or mothers and sons coming to the hospital together. As a matter of fact, 50% of female patients and 20% of male patients are found to have genetic causes.
어머님이 있는 줄 몰랐는데 이번에 수술하시고 보니까 나도 똑같은 게 있길래 나도 그런데 하고 보여주니까 같은 거라고 그러더라고요.
본인의 환자분이 있으면 그분의 형제, 자매나 또는 어머니, 아버지나 할아버지, 할머니가 이 병에 다른 사람보다는 훨씬 많이 걸린다. 다만 아직까지 그게 뭐가 문제인지는 모르지만 이 병 자체가 혈관의 판막에 문제가 있기 때문에 생기는 병이니까 결국 그런 것들이 유전되지 않겠냐라고 생각을 하고 있는 거죠.
Varicose veins are especially common among middle-aged women. Women are more affected than men in an overwhelming ratio of 8 to 2, and thus 5 times more women have surgery than men.
이거는 퐁퐁 눌러도 퐁퐁 뛰죠? 요게 정맥입니다. 들어가는 얘가 정맥이다.
Why do varicose veins occur more frequently among women?
특히 여성분들은 남성들과는 달리 생리를 하면서 호르몬이 주기적으로 변했다가 다시 돌아왔다가 이런 반복을 하게 되는데요. 그런 호르몬의 변화가 혈관에 확장을 가져옵니다. 그래서 혈관이 늘어나기 쉬운 상태로 됐다가 다시 수축했다가 늘어났다가 수축했다가 이런 것들을 반복하면서 혈관 벽 구조 자체가 약해지는 겁니다. 그래서 여성분들이 남성분들보다 2배에서 3배 정도 정맥류가 많은 것으로 통계되고 있습니다.
Also, jobs and lifestyles that overwork your legs are another reason. An average human stands about 4 hours a day, but varicose vein patients were found to be standing twice as long, for 8 hours. If you have a job that requires prolonged standing, such as a professor, department store salesperson, flight attendant, or beautician, or you tend to do a lot of manual labor, then you need to be more aware of the risks. So let's try a simple self-test for varicose veins. Do your legs feel numb and heavy even after a short walk? If your legs hurt at least 3 times a week, then there is a possible risk. People who often get leg cramps are candidates of varicose veins. That is because cramps are usually a sign of accumulated toxins in the legs from a lack of blood circulation. Swollen legs and feet every evening is a bad sign. In severe cases, feet may become so swollen that shoes feel tight. Also, veins in your calves can bulge out like spider webs and be visible to the naked eye. Sometimes veins can look blue and twisted. If you possess at least 3 of these symptoms, then chances are high that you have varicose veins, and you should see a specialist right away. First, a macrography will be performed where you are examined with the naked eye. Most of the time, the disease can be detected through this type of examination. Next, they will find the trouble spots and perform an ultrasound to see if there's any evidence of a blood clot in the deeper veins, which are larger veins that carry blood from the lower half of the body to the heart.
Normally, we thought that varicose veins leave an uneven surface on the legs. However, we must be aware that it can bring forth much pressure to the heart. So at this point, let's take a look at some treatment methods.
폐에서 심장으로 피가 와야 되는데 이 오는 과정에 혈관에 문제가 있으면 피가 자꾸만 밑으로 새는.
Miss Lee works in a clothing store of a department store. She came to the hospital because of visible veins.
오른쪽, 왼쪽. 오른쪽이 꽤 심하시네 보니까, 그죠?
심한 거예요?
예. 몇 년이나 되신 것 같아요? 이런 지가?
이거는 한 4, 5년 된 것 같아요.
4, 5년 된 것 같아요. 이쪽은요?
이쪽은 한 1, 2년.
1, 2년 된 것 같아요. 예. 여기 파란 혈관, 빨간 혈관이 다 이 정맥류거든요. 이게 이제 이 정도 되면 한 2형 정도 돼요. 1, 2, 3, 4기 중에 한 2 정도 되니까 그거에 대해서 예, 초음파를 봐서 치료를 꼭 해드릴게요.
After the condition is confirmed by examination, the next best step is to eliminate malfunctioning blood vessels. Before given treatment, an ultrasound test is done to check the blood flow and condition of deeper blood vessels, and to look for any problems in the veins. After the problem areas are determined, they are treated according to the thickness of the veins. If the veins are not thick, as in the case of this patient, then sclerotherapy is performed. This process adds pressure to the veins and closes them. By wearing compression stockings and bandages for hours, the days at the time after receiving sclerotherapy, veins eventually fade in 2 weeks. This is an outpatient procedure.
가장 초기에는 정혈관들이 보이기 시작하는 그런 단계에는 압박 스타킹을 씌울 수도 있고, 또 약간 진행이 돼서 혈관들이 밖으로 막 보여서 미용상으로 보기 싫으면 혈관 경화요법이라는 주사요법으로 해서 치료할 수도 있습니다.
However, in more advanced cases of varicose veins, surgery is required. Ultrasound tests for this patient reveal enlarged veins as thick as pencils. Laser surgery is more commonly used now and does not require a hospital stay or anesthesia and leaves no scars. Lasers are shot into the vein to burn the internal lining of the vessel. This procedure eliminates problem-causing veins. However, there's a possibility that veins can open up again and varicose veins reoccur. Depending on the condition, an ambulatory phlebectomy is performed to decrease the chance of reoccurrence. In this procedure, the problem-causing vein is pulled and raised section by section and tied up or removed.
튀어나온 정도가 심하지 않은 분들은 레이저 수술만으로 치료가 완벽하게 되는 경우도 있고요. 심하게 튀어나온 분들은 레이저 수술뿐만 아니고 미세절제 수술을 같이 해서 치료를 해야 되는 경우가 많이 있습니다. 두 가지 방법을 함께 치료하면은 거의 대부분 다 치료된다고 보시면 될 것 같습니다.
They say people who have received treatment are not only happier because the pain is gone, but because they're able to wear shorts and skirts again. Well, this goes to show that disease is not only a matter of health, but also physical appearance. Well, let us now take a look at how Korean genuine medicine takes on this approach.
Korean genuine medicine is based on the circulation of energy and blood in the body. Varicose veins, or lack of blood flow, are considered to occur among people with weak energy.
언제부터 그렇게 나타났죠?
80년대.
80년대 같으면 뭐 25년 정도 전쯤 되겠네요.
Ms. Park has suffered from leg pain for over 20 years. She spends a lot of time on her feet because she works at a restaurant. First, the overall energy and blood flow is examined through her pulse.
예, 박송자 씨 같은 경우는 한방에서는 보는 전형적인 풍한섭을 같이 갖고 있습니다. 그리고 또한 그 기혈 순환이 안 되는 게 또 전형적이고요. 또한 그 스트레스로 인해서 기가 울체됨으로 인해서 혈액의 울체까지 같이 왔는 분으로서 여러 가지 치료를 하겠지만 우선적으로 할 수 있는 게 섭열 약물 치료법으로서 족욕탕을 같이 하시는 게 좋고요. 그 약물에는 보면 혈액순환을 좋게 해주는 홍화라든지 또 기능을 뚫어주는 위령선, 그 다음에 또 파가 들어가는데요. 그 총백이라 그래서 팥뿌리 이런 것들로 해서 우선 그 담그는 약액을 만들어서 담그게 되면은 전체적인 어떤 순환에 도움이 될 겁니다.
When there is a problem with the veins, like the case of Ms. Park, moisture heat therapy, water heat therapy, Seopyeol therapy is given with a medicinal foot soak